Hi. Hi, we have this half dead mic, so I don't know if it's working. But today we are going to pull out our daughter's hair. My daughter's here, your daughter, my daughter's here, and we're watching a movie. We're going to just relax. She are going to take over the rest of Vice Note. So, yeah, let's go. So, I don't know, we don't know how I'm going to title the video, but it's just a little bit of everything. It's just a little bit of everything, and you're gonna see how the mic sound. Like the mic just a go in and out and in, it no flow. Anyway, we soon get a new mic and we soon start flow the right way. So yeah, let us do some unboxing. So we got 3 packages today, which was already open, but some of them open, some not open. Is a package number 1 is a phone screen, privacy phone screen. I mind the face, I mind the hair. Package number 2, it's a exfoliating spray, peel shot, and a body cream. The third one is just here, hair. I'll do it and let you see, guys. Don't worry. I'll do it and let you see. Oh, we have one more package, but we open already, but we're gonna make a see it anyway. This one is Anfis Anfisa from Anfisa Skin, and it's a gloss, a lip tint. So let's see how it goes. So pretty. It's so pretty, pretty. Mm. Smells so good, guys. It smells like coconut and or vanilla. Something along the line there. Yo, it smells really good.
Hey, today I'm watching TV and mom is gonna put out my hair. So yeah, put out my hair. Water that or oil? Ah, mommy, it broke out glass. See that? Oh my god. Mommy, see that? That's fucking out. Oh, oh. Yeah, do it, do it, do it, do it. No, yeah. Sonic number 3. Mommy, there's Sonic. So funny. Woo, 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 woo. Mommy, I see that. Fight, fight, fight. Are you toasting marshmallows? Toasting marshmallows. Mellows, mellows, mellows.
Butter what? That's so funny.
Bye. I love you. Mwah. Hi, everybody.
Hey guys, welcome to my video. So today we're going to make what we make again? hair butter. We're going to make hair butter, and yeah, we are going to make hair butter, and I am going to put everything that I can find in my hair butter. Everything. So you can do the same. I bought most of this stuff off Amazon. I bought most of this stuff off Amazon. So, and TikTok shop. So let's go. We are going to use the double boiling method. Something is wrong with the brain today. Oh, let me take my vitamin. So vitamin of the day is New Chapter Liquid Multivitamin. Oh, very good. And this is for your children. Mary Ruth Kids Morning Vitamin. Go take a vitamin right now.
Mommy, hold it.
Hurry, may I wait? Hurry up. So this vitamin is packed with 22 nutrients, including hair growth, iron, vitamin B, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, P. So
now you're taking it. So
let's begin. So we're going to start by boiling some water. This is going to work. No. Nobody's supposed to be here. Alright, so here's our shea butter.
it is.
Then we're going to add aloe vera gel. Let's leave that for now. So we're going to add our avocado oil. So we're adding cloves, neem leaf, and fenugreek, and black seed and moringa seed. So we're going to use a stocking cap in a plate as well as a strainer. So let's go.
Cabbage in there. So what's in there?
Guys, we don't want to waste done. Alright guys, this is the final result. So we're going to put it in the refrigerator and then wait until it's somewhat solidified.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, I'm going to try. We're going to use this. You're going to try to use your fork and turn it into a cream. So that's the close-up. So we found a bottle, guys, and we're going to put the hair butter in this bottle.
No, you're not tapping that in my place.
So we're not going to let this waste. This is going in my head.
Oh, midnight highway, shining just like sin.